Intro music fades in and out. Dr. Hwang *. Good morning, astute investors. Welcome back to Dr. Hwang's AI Stock Factory, your daily deep dive into the U.S. equity markets, powered by advanced algorithmic analysis. I'm Dr. Hwang, and it's April 15, 2026.
Let's first check yesterday's top picks performance. Yesterday, our algorithm presented three distinct opportunities. First, ZIM Integrated Shipping, ZIM. This pick successfully hit its target price 1, demonstrating solid execution in the shipping sector. Next, Advanced Micro Devices, AMD. AMD continues to hold its position, tracking well within our projected range, reflecting ongoing strength in the semiconductor space. Unfortunately, our third pick, Salesforce, CRM, encountered a pullback, triggering its stop loss. This outcome underscores the importance of disciplined risk management, a core principle embedded in our strategy. Now, let's analyze today's market landscape.
#US market close recap, 1-2 minute. The US market closed strong yesterday, marking another day of robust gains across the major indices. The S&P 500 advanced by 1.18%, closing at 6,967.38. The tech-heavy NASDAQ led the charge, surging by an impressive 1.96% to 23,639.08. Not to be outdone, the Dow Jones Industrial Average also posted a respectable gain of 0.66%, ending the session at 48,535.99. The VIX, the market's fear gauge, remained relatively subdued at 18.36, indicating a continued appetite for risk among investors. Delving into sector performance, we observed clear leadership. Consumer discretionary, XLY, was the top performer, gaining 2.2%, signaling strong consumer confidence and spending. Closely following were semiconductors, SOX, up 2%, and the broader technology, XLK, sector, which rose 1.6%. This reflects an ongoing rotation into growth-oriented segments, fueled by optimism around technological innovation and economic resilience. Conversely, some sectors experienced more subdued performance. Financials, XLF, and utilities, XLU, both saw marginal gains of 0.2%, suggesting a lack of strong catalysts in these defensive and rate-sensitive areas. The energy, XLU, sector was the sole laggard, declining by 2%, likely influenced by fluctuating commodity prices and broader economic outlooks impacting demand projections. The key market driver today appears to be a renewed confidence in growth assets, particularly within technology and consumer-facing industries. This sentiment is propelling the market higher, with investors gravitating towards companies poised for strong earnings and innovation. #Global macro and hot topics, 1 minute. Shifting our focus to the global macro landscape and current hot topics, several headlines warrant our attention. First, CNBC reported that central banks, after record gold buying, are now selling. This signals a potentially shifting global economic outlook, perhaps indicating central banks are re-evaluating inflation hedges or seeking liquidity. This trend could impact commodity markets and indirectly affect global currencies, with implications for gold miners like Barrick Gold, and the broader materials sector. Second, Meta has committed to 1 gigawatt of custom chips with Broadcom, an announcement coinciding with Hock Tan's departure from Meta's board. This signifies Meta's aggressive push into proprietary AI hardware, a critical component of its metaverse and AI ambitions. This is a clear bullish signal for Broadcom and reinforces the strong demand environment for high-performance custom semiconductors, further supporting the robust performance observed in the SOX sector. Third, the Swiss National Bank cut interest rates by a half point to 0.5%. This surprising move indicates that some central banks are willing to act preemptively to stimulate economic growth amidst evolving global conditions. This could set a precedent for other central banks globally and influences foreign exchange markets, potentially leading to more accommodative monetary policies in other developed economies and impacting the financial sector, XLF, through bond yields. #Overall market sentiment, 30 seconds. Our proprietary market regime indicator currently stands at yellow circle neutral. This suggests a balanced market environment where both bullish and bearish catalysts are present, leading to a degree of indecision. The overall risk level today is assessed as moderate, reflecting the mixed signals from a strong equity rally against a backdrop of evolving global economic policy and geopolitical considerations. ### noise cancellation briefing, 30 seconds. Today we scanned over 5,000 stocks across the S&P 500 and NASDAQ composites. Our objective is to cut through the market noise and identify truly high-conviction opportunities. After our multi-layer, quantitative filter system, which incorporates technical indicators, fundamental strength, and predictive analytics, approximately 50 candidates passed all initial criteria. From this rigorous selection process, we have identified our final top picks. Today, we present 5 compelling stock opportunities. Please remember, these selections are based on algorithmic analysis and are reference data only.
### top picks number 5 to number 1, 3-4 minute. Here are today's top picks, derived from our AI-driven insights. It's crucial to understand that past data does not guarantee future returns, and these are merely data points for your consideration. Make your own final decision. Let's begin with our 5th pick, 5, a Green Circle CPRT Copart Incorporated * selection reason * demonstrates strong operational efficiency and market leadership in online vehicle auctions, supported by robust demand trends. Quant score * 88 * entry price * $53.25 TP1, target price $155.10, plus 3.48%, success probability 72% TP2, target price $256.70, plus 6.48%, stop loss $51.70, minus 2.91%. For the Green Circle Deckers Outdoor Corporation * selection reason * exhibits consistent revenue growth and strong brand power across its portfolio, indicating sustained consumer demand in the apparel and footwear sector. Quant score * 91 * entry price $925.15 TP1, target price $955, plus 3.23%, success probability 78% TP2, target price $980.50, plus 5.98%, stop loss $899, minus 2.83%. 3. Purple Circle Now, ServiceNow Incorporated * selection reason * a leader in enterprise cloud computing, showing robust subscription revenue growth and expanding market penetration in IT workflow automation. Quant score * 93 * entry price $808.40 TP1, target price $1,835, plus 3.29%, success probability 80% TP2, target price $2,855.20, plus 5.79%, stop loss $785, minus 2.89%, event risk earnings season, Q2. ServiceNow is scheduled to report earnings in the coming weeks, which may introduce additional volatility. 2. Green Circle ELV, Elevance Health Incorporated * selection reason * a strong performer in the managed healthcare space, driven by consistent earnings and strategic expansion, navigating regulatory landscapes effectively. Quant score * 90 * entry price $542.80 TP1, target price $1,560, plus 3.17%, success probability 75% TP2, target price 2 TBD, will update stop loss $528, minus 2.73%. And our top pick for today, 1, Purple Circle SMCI Supermicro Computer Incorporated * selection reason * benefiting from surging demand for AI infrastructure. This company is a critical enabler of high-performance computing, with strong order backlogs. Quant score * 95 * entry price $1,095.50 TP1, target price $1,140, plus 4.06%, success probability 85% TP2, target price $1,185, plus 8.17%. Stop loss $1,060, minus 3.24%, event risk earnings season, Q2. Supermicro Computer has a highly anticipated earnings report approaching, which could lead to significant price movements.
Today's variables/events, 30 seconds. Looking ahead to the rest of the week, the primary event risk we are tracking is the Q2 earnings season. Investors should prepare for potential volatility as companies release their latest financial results, particularly for growth and technology stocks. Specifically, the Bank of England decision on Thursday will be closely watched for further clues on global monetary policy. Other key risks to monitor include ongoing inflation data, any shifts in interest rate expectations, and geopolitical developments that could influence market sentiment. Dr. Hwang **. That concludes today's market analysis and top picks. Thank you for tuning into Dr. Hwang's AI Stock Factory. For the fastest access to profitable insights, subscribe and hit the notification bell. We'll see you again tomorrow for another data-driven session. Invest wisely. Outro music fades in.